traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Alright, we're in a monster here on pound yen, full auto. And we got one on pound Aussie as well. Yes sir, Kyle. Happy Friday, sir. Oh, okay, this just got taken out. See this? I can tell you why it got taken out. The L1 was below the 2 and then it was up 10, so it was playing defense. I mean, this pound yen looks like it wants to just keep on going right from here. I mean, we're a little 10 pips away from our boxes. Alright, we'll probably get a 1 minute trend alert on pound yen. We're a monster actually. Let's see the 5 minute. Yep, expanding. 15 minute. Yep, hour. Expanding. 4 hour. Yeah, every time frame is expanding now. And this is when you get the best monsters. Alright, so we have the 1 minute trend alert, which I could accept it just by clicking the alert. I could just let the monster go because that's on full auto right now. So you can see the alert means it won't enter until I accept it. The ready means it's looking to enter. It's going to enter on its own now. Now if I accepted the 1 minute trend alert, we have two ready signals. We have the ready on the 1 minute trend. But right now I'm just going to let the monster take over. It'll get in on the next dynamic entry. Alright, so we got about 50 seconds for this 1 minute candle to close. If we get this candle to close bullish, and then the very next candle, the price action breaks above the high of that new bullish candle, then we will be in. That's a dynamic entry, and we will have entered the monster long. Now the first leg only opens a smaller position. Okay, that had the candle close. That looks like a, I can't tell if that's bullish or bearish. The open is 16, the close bullish by a tenth of a pip, 16.1 to 16.2. So if we break above this, yeah, we're in. It's got to break above it by a full pip. Alright, the monster's in. Alright, it'll scale in at the 5 minute white zone. Pound Aussie's got all kinds of action. We got our 5 minute entry in. So we've got a couple monsters going. We've got one on pound Aussie. Aussie's got its 5 minute leg in. Oh, Euro Yen's now ready for the monster. Look at this. Euro Yen. 1 minute white zone expansion, yes. 5 minute chart, yes. White zone expansion, yes. 15 minute chart, yep. So we just had the expansion just now. And then hour is also expanding. Look at that. And 4 hour is expanding. Not the best looking expansion, but it is following. So yeah, you even have all time frames there on Euro Yen. Oh, let's look at the 1 minute chart on Euro Yen so we can see the entry. Okay, we're just waiting for a dynamic 1 minute candle. And we almost have it. Probably another tick, we'll have it. Got to be a pip over this one. I mean, we don't have the higher high right now, but that's just the way it goes. There it is. Alright, so Euro Yen is now in. Alright, so we're actually in 3 monsters now. We've got pound Aussie, pound yen, and Euro Yen. Hey, Jamil. Oh man, look at this. I didn't even see what was going on. Okay, so the scale out worked for pound Aussie. You see the monster 5 minute leg is not in there anymore. In fact, I think two things happened. I think our scale out happened and then our trade protector happened. So what happened was, we can look at it, pound Aussie. Okay, the trade protector kicked in on the scale in here. Also the trailing stop kicked in on the entry and then scaled out for 10 pips. So it scaled out a half at plus 10 and then the trailing stop took the other half. It kicked in a trailing stop on the other half. Pound yen, look at you. And this will really just keep going until it hits a 2-column roadblock or until I manually exit the trade. This will give me my target for the day, I think. If I close this. Let's close this one. Yeah, that's our growth target. That's our 2%. And we still have open trades. So, I mean, that's the name of the game right there, guys. Make your 2%. I mean, if I closed all these out manually, I would guarantee my 2% for the day. And then some. And it's Friday, so we're just going to do a short session anyway. that's Fridays. For a while I didn't do Friday sessions, but I realized that's not cool. Right? So I decided to do short Friday sessions every week, and I think it's been working out pretty good. It just took itself out. Oh, at plus 10. Look, the one was below the 2, just barely, and it took it out. So we're up to 3% on the day, and still have Euro Yen here. At a 2-column roadblock, though. So, and news coming out in 30 minutes. Could just always close it. Boom. There we go. I mean, there's nothing wrong with a day like that. Just closing up flat, up 2% or more.